What's up, guys? It's VA Boy out here. I'm working on a two-wheel drive slash. Belongs to my buddy Liam. Wanted me to look it over, and I changed over one of the spur gears he had. He had a 86 tooth spur gear. Sorry, he had a 90 tooth spur gear, and I put now 86 in there. Runs a little better now. Run it with 2S lipo. Running pretty good. So I love the truck, Liam. Liam is gonna get ready to go bash it later on. I'm gonna take it for a little spin in a few minutes. See what's the difference.